Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today is the concluding part of the content marketing series that we have been discussing of the various chapters that are associated with content marketing. In conclusion, what we have seen in this series is these are the topics that we have covered extensively as far as content marketing strategies are concerned. In the introduction, we have discussed an overview of the content marketing, the objectives of content marketing, what is an effective and ineffective content marketing strategies that are associated in content marketing, how to target the customer is also we have seen, content creation principles also have been discussed extensively, the media channels that are associated in publishing and disseminating high quality content, what are the media channels that you need to target. Then we have also seen the style guide as far as your content marketing plan is concerned. These are basically the introductory chapters that we have discussed. And in the advanced strategies, we have in the mastering advanced strategies, we have seen the blogs, the emails, the newsletters, white papers, case studies, e-books. Then we have got digital magazine, mobile apps, web apps, podcasting, webinars, infographics, articles, press releases and social media. These are the various channels that are associated as far as your content marketing plan or content marketing strategy or content marketing execution is concerned. These are the channels that you need to implement, use, so that you can reach out to the intended audience. These all chapters have been extensively discussed how you can actually reach out to the intended audience by disseminating quality information across the channels and drive traffic to your websites. And in the advanced strategies, we have seen how to create a perfect editorial calendar. We have shown you live examples of the Google Calendar, and we have also shown you a live example how you can create a custom editorial calendar in the Excel sheet. We have also seen how to target the customer intent. What is the customer intent and how to target the customer intent so that you can drive more and more conversions. Who are the key influencers? Why we need to target the key influencers and how key influencers play a major role in your content marketing strategy. Creating engaging content. What is engaging content? How to create engaging content? What are the best practices that are there in creating engaging content? Then the B2B content plan and the B2C content plan, how you need to create them. How to measure the content effectiveness. What is content effectiveness? How to measure the content effectiveness and what are the strategies, the tips that are associated in measuring the content effectiveness. Then we have got creating a perfect content strategy. How you can actually create a perfect content strategy. What are the key ingredients that should go into creating a perfect content strategy. And in the bottom line, we have also seen a very important chapter called storytelling. How you can actually create a content that tells a story to the end user, that engages with them and that drives you more and more conversions. How to become a top content marketer is something that we have also seen extensively, and this plays a very important role for you if you want to become a content marketer. Then the future of the content. What is the future of the content, how the content is moving, in which direction it is moving, and what are the key things that you need to remember as far as creating content is concerned. We have also seen the tools that are associated, the web tools, the social media tools, and the tools to manage their complete content marketing plan. And in conclusion, we have seen all the chapters as far as the content marketing plan or the series is concerned. The bottom line is the topics covered are aimed at absolute business of the content marketing subject. Content marketing tutorials presented are complete and comprehensive. Every single topic and technique is covered, elaborated and explained to you. We hope this content marketing tutorial will benefit you immensely in your content marketing strategies are concerned. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.